We'll guide you through how to install PostgreSQL using Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure your Docker desktop application is actively running. Next, open up PowerShell or your preferred terminal application. To store your files safely, create a persistent volume by typing the command to create a Docker volume named pg_data. Begin writing the main Docker run command by instructing the system to run the container quietly in detached mode. Add a recognizable container name with the instruction to name it my-postgres-db. To secure your database, establish the default user by setting an environment variable that configures the PostgreSQL username as admin. Next, establish the root password by setting a second environment variable configuring the password as my secret password. Safely map the database network port by linking port 5432 on your computer directly to that same internal port. Mount the persistent volume by linking your pg_data volume to the internal var_lib PostgreSQL data directory. Finish your instruction by adding the official PostgreSQL image name, requesting the version 15 Alpine release. Your complete command perfectly combines the detached run instruction, the container name, the two security variables, the port mapping, the volume mount, and the image name into one line. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to execute this command and start your database container. Then verify it is running by typing the standard Docker process status command. With your database operational, open your PostgreSQL client application and choose the option to create a new connection. Input your settings into the fields by setting the host to localhost, entering the port as 5432, typing the username as admin, and inputting your password as my secret password. Finally, click the Connect button to securely access your database and start running custom SQL queries.